Alright, so here is my 2011, 10, I forget which one it is, 3.6, supposed to be an RS, 6-speed, but we put this LS, or LM7, in it carbureted. Still running the same coil packs, electric water pump, fuel, pressure regulator, oil bypass, still has the ABS, all the sensors, a little sneaky going underneath the carburetor. So you will need, I think the easiest ones are going to be here to see, maybe. This flash doesn't work anyways. You'll need the 6.2 motor mounts. And then the headers, I'm just using the same ones we used on an S10 swap. Radiator works, but you'll have to put a mid expansion if you're able to use your stock radiator. Obviously this is a race car, so things aren't always what they seem. So this is my fuse panel, relays, all that. My switch kits are, won't let me see it. Anyways, all my switches are up there. E-brake, seat, wheel, tilt, everything's still there. This is the new analog gauges because there's no computer to control it. And then in order to run it, I am running the MSD LS series. And it is, try to get it to focus here. Come on, there we go. So, poly carburetor. Trying to think if there's any other stuff. The battery's in the stock location. Same with the power wire, still there. And I ended up sealing up my power steering, so that is not there anymore. And like I said, I'm running 315s in the rear, so a little chunky in the back. And then batteries in the same location. Trunk still works on power, and we affectionately call her Stolen. Some meat back here.